Welcome to Healthy Grandpa Secrets and Him, where growing older means growing stronger. Let's make these years your healthiest yet.
If you're over 60, what you eat today could be the difference between a future filled with doctor visits and pills, or one filled with energy, strength, independence, and peace of mind. The food on your plate is either slowly aging you or silently healing you. And in this video, we're going to reveal a doctor-approved daily eating plan that's transforming lives for seniors across the globe. No fads, no crazy restrictions, and no complicated recipes. Just smart, powerful food choices that nourish your body, protect your heart, support your brain, and help you stay strong long into your 70s, 80s, even 90s. Because let's be honest, aging is not about the number. It's about how you feel every day. Are you tired by noon? Struggling with digestion, brain fog, joint pain, or blood sugar swings? Most seniors are, and the biggest culprit is right there in their kitchen. The good news? It doesn't have to be this way. You can make small, intentional changes to your meals that will completely upgrade your life. And today, I'll show you exactly how, step by step. So let's begin with breakfast, because how you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Most seniors wake up and reach for toast, cereal, or sugary coffee drinks. But these spike your blood sugar, leave you tired by mid-morning, and actually accelerate aging. Instead, start your day with a breakfast that supports your metabolism, brain, and muscles. Doctors recommend a high-protein, fiber-rich breakfast for seniors. That means starting with a source of clean protein, like eggs, Greek yogurt, or even a small protein smoothie made with unsweetened almond milk, frozen berries, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder. Add in a handful of walnuts or ground flax seeds for healthy fats, and you've got a meal that fights inflammation and fuels your body without a crash. If you prefer something warm and cozy, try steel-cut oats topped with cinnamon, chia seeds, and a few blueberries. It's rich in fiber, heart-healthy, and supports good digestion. Now, let's talk about what not to eat at breakfast. Skip sugary cereals, white toast, pancakes drowned in syrup, or processed meats like sausage and bacon. These increase inflammation, hurt your heart, and leave you sluggish. Moving on to lunch, this is your opportunity to pack in nutrients that support your immune system, your heart, and your gut health. A doctor-approved senior lunch is built around colorful vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. That could be a large salad with leafy greens like spinach or kale, topped with grilled salmon, chickpeas, avocado, and olive oil dressing, or a hearty bowl with brown rice, steamed broccoli, roasted sweet potatoes, and a few slices of grilled chicken or tofu. These foods are anti-inflammatory, rich in vitamins and minerals, and easy to digest. And here's something most seniors don't realize. Eating more plant-based meals a few times a week has been proven to lower your risk of Alzheimer's, cancer, and heart disease. You don't have to go vegetarian, but reducing red meat and increasing beans, lentils, and greens is a powerful shift. And remember, hydration is key. Seniors often drink too little water, which leads to confusion, fatigue, and constipation. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses per day, and add a pinch of sea salt or a slice of lemon to help your body absorb it better. Afternoon snacks are where many people go off track, reaching for cookies, crackers, or sugary drinks. But the right snack can actually give you more energy and protect your brain. Try a handful of almonds, a boiled egg, a slice of apple with peanut butter, or a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt. Even a piece of dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, can be a healthy treat. It's rich in antioxidants and has been linked to better brain health. For dinner, keep it light and calming. Seniors don't need to eat heavy meals late at night. A perfect dinner might be a bowl of vegetable soup with lentils, a piece of grilled fish with roasted zucchini and quinoa, or a simple vegetable stir-fry with tofu. These meals support digestion and help you sleep better. One key tip: avoid eating 2 hours before bed. This gives your body time to wind down, balances blood sugar, and improves your sleep quality. And here's the real secret: consistency. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be intentional. Aim to eat from nature, not from packages. Read ingredients, stay curious, and don't be afraid to enjoy your food. Healthy eating should taste great and feel empowering. Now, let's talk about the foods you need to cut, or at least reduce. First, processed meats. Hot dogs, bacon, sausage, and deli meats are full of preservatives and have been linked to colon cancer. Next, added sugars. Sugar hides in flavored yogurts, store-bought sauces, cereals, even so-called healthy granola bars. Too much sugar increases your risk of diabetes, memory decline, and joint pain. Also, beware of refined oils, like vegetable, soybean, or corn oil. These are highly processed, promote inflammation, and harm your arteries. Instead, use olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil in moderation. And the big one, limit alcohol. While an occasional glass of red wine might be okay, excess alcohol disrupts sleep, increases fall risk, and damages your liver. Replace it with herbal teas, sparkling water, or a turmeric latte. Let's bring it all together now. Here's your sample doctor-approved day of eating. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs, a slice of avocado toast on sprouted grain bread, and a cup of green tea. Mid-morning: a small smoothie with frozen berries, spinach, and protein powder. Lunch: a quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables, black beans, and a tahini dressing. Afternoon snack: apple slices with almond butter. Dinner: grilled salmon, sautéed spinach, and a small sweet potato. And before bed, a warm cup of chamomile tea. That's it. Simple, nourishing, and powerful. It's not about eating less, it's about eating smart. These foods help regulate blood pressure, support your bones, sharpen your brain, and reduce pain and fatigue. They're backed by science and approved by doctors who work with seniors every day. But here's the most important part. You're not just adding years to your life. You're adding life to your years. Every meal is a message to your body. When you choose whole, healing foods, you're telling your body, I care. I want to feel good. I want to stay strong, independent, and joyful. You're not eating like you're old. You're eating like you're wise. And that makes all the difference. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below that says, I'm upgrading my meals, and tell us what change you'll try this week. Whether it's a new breakfast, drinking more water, or swapping chips for almonds, it all matters. And if you want a printable shopping list or meal plan, let us know, and we'll make one just for our Healthy Grandpa Secrets family. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more doctor-backed senior health tips, and share this with someone you care about. Let's create a movement of seniors taking control of their health, one meal at a time. This is your time to thrive, not just survive. Stay well, stay strong, and remember, every bite is a chance to heal. See you in the next video.